Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a subdomain and install WordPress in Bluehost web hosting. Here you can go and type Bluehost and open this website. You can get domain and hosting. After that you can easily log in into your web hosting account. So if I scroll down, let me click here login button, and now on the left side here you can see this one is the menu. So you can check your web hosting package, you can check domains, emails and other information, and these are the subdomains. So if you want to add a new subdomain, here you can check the limit 39 out of 100. Simply click here add website, and now it will ask you select the application. You can create a blank website. You can select this one, WordPress, transfer WordPress website. This one is recommended if you want to install WordPress. It will automatically install WordPress. You don't need to do anything. As before that in cPanel it was using app installer, but now it has introduced this option. Simply you need to click on add website, and after that if I scroll down here you can see still it is installing WordPress. And this one is the subdomain. If you want to connect your custom domain, then simply you need to click on manage button, and after that scroll up. Here you will get option to get a new domain. You can also connect your existing domain. And here you can see it is ready. Now we can view this website. Okay, now if you want to log in, then simply you can click on this button, WordPress admin. After that you can also use AI website creator tool that is provided by Bluehost team. You can also import your existing WordPress website, and if you want to go back, then simply you can remove this one. Just you can keep wp-admin. Now here you can see it is redirected to the dashboard.